So this is the fourth anniversary of me leaving Colorado and starting Suitcase living. It's been an interesting year, 4 years rather, and I have done some really incredible things. And in some ways, I think I've done a solid job of documenting what I've done, but mostly I think I've done a piss poor job of documenting what I've done. And I've done some cool things. So I'm trying to get comfortable in front of a camera. I'm trying to get comfortable sharing what I'm up to. And so here's the start. Since I left Colorado and got on a plane to Juneau, Alaska, and started house sitting and started taking care of other people's dogs, I have read 923 books. I've been to Canada 4 times. I've been to Mexico twice. I've been to Ireland, Northern Ireland, Australia, and New Zealand. I've been to 38 states and 6 provinces. I've been to the easternmost point of the continental US in Lubec, Maine. I've been to the northwesternmost point in the Olympic Peninsula. And I've been to the southernmost point in Key West. I've crossed the 45th parallel in both hemispheres. I've been to Acadia, Shenandoah, Cape Breton's National Highlands, Hopewell Rocks in Canada, and Olympic and North Cascades National Parks. I've done 14 murals for Now Art for the Community Mural Project. Been to 2 weddings. I've done 7 kayak trips, including one that was 2 weeks in Baja. And I have taken care of countless dogs and several cats, some of which I've even liked. And it's been good. It's been really good. But I think I could do better telling the story. I've been writing in the travel journals. I've been taking the pictures. I've been posting them to Instagram. I've been drawing a lot. And but I'm not checking in. So this is my first attempt to get on camera and put myself out there, tell the story, share my thoughts, keep you posted.